being a part of the coronation night, and I was able to witness firsthand the hard work and the dedication of each of our contestants. That's why our winners really are all well-deserved. And again, congratulations for being the winners of this year's Man of the Philippines. There you go. So now we have here our complete top 6 finalists for the Man of the Philippines 2024. Few more seconds, and then we will ask our top 6 to take their seats so that our Q&A can start. All right. Thank you very much, our winners. Oh, I think a few more shots from our media friends. Closer.
Usually, nagiging stepping stone yung pageantry in entering show business or the entertainment world. So, among you guys, sino yung may planong maging artista? At sino yung, ano nyo, yung mga crush niyong artista? Or idolo?
Parang gusto mong sagutin ni Sharon yan. If I as given a chance to follow the stream Manila, then I will take it. And yung crush ko artista si Ann Curtis.
Actually, I will be honest because yung naging actually very transparent nga ako na direct. I'm more on leaning into hosting. So yun yung magiging target ko. So baka naman sa mga naghahanap po ng host dyan. Mag-uusapan naman po natin. PM lang po kayo.
For me naman, it's actually one of the reasons why I joined this pageant is because I want to enter the showbiz industry to immortalize my name, my image, and all.
Para sa ano po, wala pa po sa isip ko na maging artista kasi meron din po akong goal na gusto kong ma-achieve. And yun nga po. Pero may crush po ako sa showbiz. Si Catherine Bernardo. For me po, kung papala rin po, pero pag wala tambay na lang. Ayun po, ang crush ko po sa artista ay si Ding Dong Dantes. Si Gabby Garcia po. Other finalist, Lancy Porra, bro. Hello. So yeah, as you can see, we do not only build a pageant. As you can see here, we're laughing. We're like a family. So I hope everyone will enter Man of the Philippines this next season. If you want to feel like this, thank you so much.
Wow, thank you, Carly.